Hello everyone, today I am going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Contemporary Indian Society. It's a DL EDT first year book. It's strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT Punjab. It's a bestseller book of the most trusted publishing firm of India, which is Vinod Publications. So let's check out and review this book. First of all, syllabus is mentioned unit wise. Unit 1, India, the freedom, struggle and independence. Then unit 2, Constitution of India and education. Then unit 3, democracy in India. Then unit 4, Indian economy. Then unit 5, some suggested projects on contemporary Indian issues. So these are given. Then contents are given unit wise. Unit 1, the India, the freedom, struggle and independence. Then topics are given: impact of colonialism on Indian society, economy and polity. Then anti-colonial struggle. It's given till breaks with the colonial apparatus. Now we have to verify it with syllabus. So you can also check this out. The topics are given in both English and Punjabi, because as it is a Punjabi medium book, but it is still given in English also, so that both Punjabi and English kind of readers can also buy this book and read it. So yeah, let's now check out, go to unit 1 and check this, match it with the contents like impact of colonialism of Indian society, economy and polity, anti-colonial struggle, then international structure of the Indian nation state, till continuities and breaks with the colonial apparatus. So unit 1 is absolutely clear. You can check this out. Now we have to check out unit 2 of contents and match with the syllabus. Constitution of India and education. Then its constitutional provision of independent India is described in the preamble. Then constitution and education. It's still Right to Education Act 2009. You have to check out, verify it with the syllabus of unit 2. Constitution, vision of independent India is described in the preamble, constitution and education. Then till Right to Education Act 2009. So unit 2 is also clear. Let's check out unit 3 now. Unit 3 of contents: democracy in India, democracy, features of democracy, unitary government, union government. Till JP movement, Indian democracy. Unit 3, democracy in India, democratic systems and institutional structures, party system and electoral politics. JP movement and Indian democracy. Unit 3 is clear. Then unit 4, globalization, liberalization, privatization of economy. And then if it starts from there, Indian economy issues and debates on globalization, liberalization, privatization, till migrant labor. You can check out unit 4, verified with syllabus. Issue and debate of globalization, liberalization, privatization, till, you can check this out, migrant labor. It's completely there. So unit 4 is also there. Let's check out the last unit now. Unit 5, from critical appraisal of constitutional values prescribed in an Indian education comparative study. And so many topics are there, you can check them out. These are there till voters education, electoral participation. So you can verify it with the syllabus. Critical appraisal of constitutional value, comparative study, till voters education, electoral participation. It's completely there. All the 5 units of contents cover the syllabus, there is no doubt about that. Now we have to check out the page numbers also, which are mentioned in front of syllabus. Are they are they accurate or not? For example, if I go to page number 121, I'll find whether I find the judiciary or not. See, page number 121, the judiciary topic is completely there. So page numbers are also very rightly mentioned, there is no doubt about that. Also topics are also highlighted in both, topic inside the book are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language, so that even the English kind of readers can easily buy this book, purchase it, and also understand what's going on. They can also look into the book. Every topic is highlighted, every topic, sub points, headings, questions are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language in the back side of the book. ETT books for first year and second year also there of SCERT Punjab. You can check them out. So price of the book is just 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart or Amazon. You can buy it, or you can call them directly on Vinod Publications at 9218-219-218, and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy this book from any available bookstore nearby location at 229.50 rupees only. You can go to Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books. You can visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. You can go to their helpline email ID if you have any inquiry at help@vinodpublications.com. So 229.50 is the only price of the book. Buy it online from Flipkart, Amazon, or call at 9218-219-218, or buy it from any available bookstore nearby location. It's your choice. 229.50. I highly recommend this book. Contemporary Indian Society of DLED TTD first year, SCERT Punjab, Vinod Publication, bestseller, which is the most trusted publishing firm in India. I highly recommend this book. You should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.